20 seconds. Tornado watch, what is this? Alright, here we go. TOA number 9. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tone out. There they go. Here we go.
Has issued tornado watch number 9, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Florida, Levy and Marion. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned for more weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 9 has been issued from 1 p.m. until 8 p.m. for the following counties: in Florida, Levy and Marion.
There we go. Tornado watch number 9 for Levy and Marion. Let's go.